hala hong ke do ki sung pen da KARBI ANGLONG hinlo ituma hempi lo pun ngacha pachong tumpan pini dak Diphu ataun pen kilometer isi yang gang long pen si pini tadi plung kon lo tapi pini bang isi herak me army lo paragraph 20 lapen 6 sidol long pulo je land authority ke lage KARBI ANGLONG autonomous council lo posikulo tante authority pini arni kuna lo dam jui drive tum han kirai panti tum council ke nang pilo kali magalang la council itu manang pilo tante authority tum sil tum handa nang lang tum nang pumat pini arni bangke 10,434 square kilometer along li kirai ji ke lam lo RONGPANGTHIR arong la tribals areas long ke do tum la dak kirai ja jak kongonta KARBI ANGLONG autonomous council authority abeda lo kaserak me nai nang ke la
ada baliram kurang orang na polisi itu balik ke tali di pun itu berada.
Litino rasa baru mana se, tiba tiba aji mana se, loja bangi perai loja, konsilor loja.
Just I have arrived here. I have come all the way from West KARBI ANGLONG to take stock of the situation. That some complaints has come from the villagers that since from the morning the eviction drive has been taken out, and when I reach here I came to know that the eviction process has already been done. But in this context, I on behalf of the KARBI Students Association would like to questions to the district administration or the KARBI Autonomous Council regarding the evictions. So when I met with one of the officials who came for this eviction drive, he just told me that this is a government land and they are the encroachers. So we are bound to evict them. This was what he was stated there. So in this regard, I would like to question to the authority concerned that they claim that the land belongs to government. Okay. I agree that. But one question is that right now the place where I am standing, the government scheme has been sanctioned here. The PMGSAY house has been built here. This is a purely government scheme. If this land would have been belonged to the government concerned, then why they have sanctioned the government scheme to the particular person here? That is a big question that hanging around in my head. So I would like to appeal the district administration to take stock of the situation and to give more importance to the people, the innocent people living here, to provide all the reliefs to the people who are facing right now.